It begins with a whisper, a soft enticement that draws you in, promising warmth and affection. But soon, you find yourself ensnared in a web spun from the delicate threads of narcissism. You may not recognize it at first. The charm, the allure, the way they seem to understand you, to see you in a way that others do not. It feels like love, but it is not. It is a mirage, a reflection in a still pond that shatters the moment you reach for it. You give and give, pouring your heart into a vessel that is forever empty. The more you offer, the more they demand. And yet, no matter how much you sacrifice, you remain unseen, unacknowledged, a mere shadow in their grand narrative. The joy you seek is eclipsed by the black hole of their need, an insatiable void that consumes everything in its path. You become a servant to their whims, a puppet dancing to the tune of their desires, while your own needs wither in the dark corners of your soul. It is a cruel irony to be so close to someone, yet feel so utterly alone. You watch as they bask in the spotlight, their laughter ringing hollow, their victories celebrated while you stand in the wings, a silent witness to your own erasure. You tell yourself that this is love, that the sacrifices you make are noble, that perhaps one day they will see you, truly see you, and return the affection you so desperately crave. But the truth is, they are incapable of love. They are trapped in a cycle of self-obsession, their world revolving around their own reflection, leaving no room for you, for your feelings, for your existence. The realization hits like a thunderclap, awakening you from the dream that has held you captive. This is not love. It is a prison. You are not their partner. You are their audience, a mere spectator in a play that has no room for your voice. It is time to leave, to step away from the destructive patterns that have become your reality. You cannot save them. You cannot fill the void that they refuse to acknowledge. To stay is to surrender your own essence, to become a ghost in your own life. So, gather your strength. It will not be easy. The pull of their need is powerful, and the fear of the unknown looms large. But remember, you are not the cause of their suffering, nor are you responsible for their happiness. You are worthy of love that is mutual, of a connection that nourishes rather than depletes. You deserve to be seen, to be valued, to be loved for who you are, not for what you can give. As you prepare to walk away, let the weight of their expectations fall from your shoulders. You do not owe them your loyalty, your time, or your love. You owe it to yourself to seek a life that is rich in authenticity, filled with relationships that uplift rather than diminish. The journey ahead may be daunting, but it is also a path to liberation. Take a deep breath and step forward. Leave behind the chaos, the manipulation, the endless cycle of trying to please someone who will never be satisfied. Embrace the possibility of a new beginning, where your heart can beat freely, where your laughter can ring true, and where your spirit can flourish without the shadow of another's darkness looming over you. You are not just a reflection of someone else's needs. You are a vibrant, complex being, deserving of your own love and respect. So walk away, and in doing so, reclaim your life.